Hidden WhatsApp features you need to try. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of the hidden WhatsApp features that you must try. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, many of you use WhatsApp, but you haven't really unlocked the full potential of WhatsApp. The first hidden feature that we're going to talk about here is that we can actually send a bold text. So you can see the upper one right here is a normal text. The below one, the beneath one is a bold text. And to be able to send a bold text on WhatsApp, you just have to type in asterisk, which is this, before a text. So you can type in anything after that here. And after you do this, without any space, end the sentence with another asterisk again. As you do that, that particular text will get turned bold. Now, normally, if you just send it like this here, you can see it's in a normal text, but the above one has been set to bold. The other thing that you can do is you can also choose to lock chats, by the way. So you might not have been aware, but you can choose to secure your chats. If you go there, you can scroll down, you can turn on the chat lock option over there. You can also choose to turn on custom notifications. And these are simply some of the hidden features that you can use on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.